The recteq DeckBoss 800 offers versatile cooking options, allowing you to smoke, grill, sear, bake, and dehydrate with an impressive temperature range from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. With a generous 810 square inches of cooking space, this pellet smoker grill is perfect for both family meals and entertaining guests. Crafted from premium stainless steel, the DeckBoss 800 ensures long-lasting durability and reliable performance for all your outdoor cooking adventures. The robust leg design of this grill provides superior stability, making it a dependable choice for any back barbecue setup. With Wi-Fi-enabled digital controls, the recteq app enhances your cooking experience by offering precise temperature control and easy management from your smartphone. Utilizing a rock-solid PID algorithm, this electric smoker maintains temperatures within 5 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring consistently delicious results every time.